I'm Charles Lewton-Brain, and we're here at the Ganoksin studio in Boston, Massachusetts. And this is going to be about making a really useful shop tool called a cardboard disc sander. I learned about this in a factory in Germany, and it's intended to be used on a polishing machine. And again, I have prepared by cutting a disc of fairly thin cloth out. And I'm going to squeeze the epoxy out in approximately equal amounts. I'm okay with having a fair bit. Pull that back. Slip the cover on. And now I'm going to mix it. Any lack of adhesion or problems generally come because we didn't mix it long enough. This side here now becomes a tool for fixing or changing a hammer face or chasing tools. It can take as little as 30 seconds to alter and fix a chasing tool. If I have a piece of jewelry and I wish to have an absolutely flat, geometrically flat surface, I can hold it against this and I will have a perfectly flat facet. On this side, while it's spinning, I can put some polishing compound, Tripoli or Fabuluster, and when I take my jewelry and I facet it and then I put it onto the polished side, this will give me a high, bright rouge finish that's absolutely flat. Now the jeweler's tool that does this is called a split lab. And they cost about $600, and they're very tricky to use. But for the cost of a piece of emery paper and some glue, you have yourself a fantastic, super accurate sanding tool in your shop.